Hi guys, this is Chaos Blaze. I am doing a Pixelmon how to download and install for Minecraft. So, to start, you'll go to Downloads on the Pixelmon homepage, which I will have a link in the description. You want the 3.0.2 version, go and download the Forge link, and then you'll go back here to download. So, I'm just going to do Mirror 3. So, once this starts up, I will be back. Right, so, next thing you want to do is save the file. I just saved it to my downloads. So, alright, next thing you want to do is over here for search programs and files, search %appdata%. Get your roaming file opened, go under .minecraft, then go to the mods, take out any mods that you already have, find the Pixelmon 3.0.2 zip, put it into the mods. After you have the Forge downloaded, you will be pretty much set to go. So, close it out, and I'll show you in a little bit. Alright, I'm back. Now, we've got to get your Minecraft started. You want to create a new profile. Use your newest version of Forge, or the one that just came in the downloads. And you should pretty much be set. Name your thing, your profile. Once you have it set to the Forge, you'll, let's see, get that out of there, save profile, and it'll be all done. I already have my Forge Pixelmon, which is my Pixelmon thing. And once I've actually got it started, we'll start. So, if you did it right, when you start your new world, it will have this screen after a little bit. So you want to choose your starter. Feel free to choose a starter in the description, and I might, in one of my survival series for Pixelmon, choose that starter. Just for the sake of time, I will choose Charmander. Oh, where are we? Okay. Well, we spawned in here. We've got our Pokemon, which we can, if I maximize this, check out. So we've got stats, small growth rate, but whatever. So let's send them out by pressing R.
Charmander.
Wow. Okay.
Charmander.
Alright, so here is Charmander.
Charmander.
He actually, yeah, he's got small growth, but he's here to cycle through your Pokemon to choose which one to throw out. You just need to use the brackets. Now that we're here, it's actually pretty easy to do. Let's see if we can find any. There we are. Oh, that's a Tropius. Wow. First time playing and I found a Tropius. And that is a Ladybug. Let's see if 15. I'm scared to go by Tropius. Magikarp? What? Where? Thought I heard it. Anyways, definitely Magikarp. There they are. Alright, so to battle, throw your Pokemon out, and if it hits the Pokemon, it will start to battle. Now, just choose an attack. What? He knows tackle? I didn't expect that. Run. Run! Ugh! Don't stop it. Stop using Splash. Yeah! Alright, now let's get out of here. Carp. Nobody wants a Magikarp unless they like Gyarados. Alright, here's some cool Pokemon. Scyther, I heard you somewhere. Where was it? Ekans. Slow poke. I'm gonna try to make it through here pretty quick. Take a swim. We do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah, so here we are. Do 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 do. Nummels every day.